Oh, this place is so different now. What the?
It's what happens when two holidays collide. Our holiday tale is a tale that's quite charming, but during this season, it's sometimes alarming. So relax and reflect. Feel free to take pause while we tell you a tale about dear Sandy Claus.
Ladies and gentlemen, you see my chapters wrapped out the halls? Kindly drag your bodies away from the walls.
Scattered around. This year, he's decided to play Sandy Claus. But when Halloween creates Christmas, you might say a few flaws. But darling carriage will take you away. Sit back, rest easy, in the black Christmas sleigh. Your sleigh will accommodate one or two more. We hope you're prepared for what Jack has in store.
Don't pull down the bar. It will float down with ease. And keep a close watch on all children, please. All good ghouls and boys must sit safe in their seats and keep in their sleigh all hands, arms, legs, or feet. Si cuidas a tus niños, todo marchará felizmente. Los fantasmitos y fantasmitas deben quedarse en su asiento. Y en el cochecito mantener brazos, manos, piernas y pies adentro. More rapid than vultures, the mansion was changed. All was soon covered, adorned, and deranged. And what to your wondering eyes disappears is Jack's little friend Zero, the ghost dog reindeer. Nothing here was forgotten. It all looked so pleasant. A coffin, Jack says. makes a fine Christmas present. A man's plan makes a wonderful wreath, as long as you don't get caught in its teeth. Jack's holiday vision was unlike no other. So ring out the bells. There's more cheer to uncover.
Future and transcend. 11 candles floating. Their scent of mystery in the air. 10 clementines that swirl with secrets yet to share. On the 9th day of Christmas, my ghoul love gave to me 9 magic crystals that sparkle.
With some treats and some games, you can make a scene merry. Why, even a gingerbread could seem scary. But once, as deep as tears, I perished by conjuring eyes. Full of toys, Jack had slung on his back. They were strange and bizarre, and on the attack.
Oh, this is like Tokyo's version. Oh, they changed it. Oh, that's weird. Wow.
Patrons worked his magic outside. Smoky-faced green. Now what better gift on my friends to bestow than a graveyard that's covered in ghostly white snow?
They'd like my Christmas. Fruitcake and what? Oh, I really outdid myself this time. Look at all the happy faces. Season's greetings, everyone.